From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. The warm pattern stays with Acadiana at least through the weekend, but big changes on the way into early next week. More on that in just a bit. But out there right now, well, if you're flying a drone, you can see the beautiful KATC roof, new roof. Got a feel for those guys that worked on the roof this summer. They were up there in August when our average high temperature was about 102 degrees. Look at the clouds out there today. Some dark bases and actually a little precip here and there. There's actually been some cumulus clouds with a little vertical growth, so that has produced a few showers. We have a little smoke on the horizon as well, but you can see some of these darker bases right here, and you might get a sprinkle or two out of these clouds, but not looking at anything major precipitation wise. So let's kick it upstairs. Look at the big pattern, and we have high pressure in the eastern U.S., low pressure troughing in the west, producing winter conditions in the northwest. Meanwhile, we're kind of in between low pressure and the lee of the Rockies. The same story as yesterday. High pressure in the mid-Atlantic, so we have a fairly tight pressure gradient, enough to keep the winds going, even a little bit aloft, so fog has not been an issue over the last couple of nights, nor do we expect it to be an issue in the future. And we look at the moisture conduit that extends, by the way, all the way down to Mexico. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. But locally, as we mentioned yesterday, a few streamer showers working their way into the area. Those streamer showers are just little showers, little blips of moisture that come in from the Gulf of Mexico, and then you get a little frictional convergence and you see a few showers developing over southeast Louisiana. Some of those showers have worked their way westward. You don't see a whole lot here on Power Doppler 3, maybe an isolated cell up here by Chico State Park. And in Lafayette, we're seeing a nice little cloud street with some of those darker clouds producing some shower activity from the Youngsville area. Here we are at LA 89, and this is 339 Vero School Road. An isolated shower too, and then we'll bring it up to the Khalees Saloom Road area between Khalees Saloom and Robley, right along Ambassador Caffrey, so right by the mall. Here we're seeing some shower activity, and we're seeing a few other sprinkles across the area this afternoon. So some sprinkles out there, but not enough really to wet the ground. Meanwhile, different story. Here's a 24-hour loop of what was Tropical Storm Otis. It was a tropical storm at 10 a.m. yesterday morning, and inside of 12 to 13 hours, it became a Category 5 storm, 165-mile-per-hour winds, raking Acapulco, catastrophic damage down here. Very limited video coming out, but from what we have seen, buildings, high rises completely gutted. A horrible situation, and a horrible situation when you're thinking you're going to see a hurricane, maybe 80 or 90 mile an hour winds, and then 6 hours later it's got 165 mile per hour winds. And part of that is we don't get the best data coming out of the Pacific. It was a small storm, but you can see how small that eye was when it made landfall late last night, and now still some lingering rainfall there. Meanwhile, off to the east, we have also Hurricane Tammy out in the Atlantic Basin. This one got better organized, but now is going to be interacting with a frontal boundary, so probably not as organized in the future. 100-mile-per-hour winds, though, close to a Cat 3 storm here, and then going to be a Cat 2 for a while, and then just become an extra tropical storm. Gusty winds possibly impacting Bermuda. Now it looks like the worst of it may be just east of the Bermuda area. So overnight tonight, we're looking at fair skies locally here, nice and quiet, near 74 low. Tomorrow, back into the mid to upper 80s, and we'll see temperatures staying on the mild side as we head into the weekend as well. Upper 60s, lower 70s across the area, upper 60s outlying areas, and back into the mid 80s for your morrow. Overnight tonight, mild and humid for sure. Slight breeze out there, a few clouds from time to time, and a waxing hunter's moon out there. It'll be full officially as we head into Saturday, going into tomorrow, Thursday, 87 the projected high. Another breezy day with a sun and cloud mix ahead. Getting into the 10-day forecast, warm temperatures through the weekend, and we'll detail this part of the forecast, but we may not get out of the 50s on Tuesday, Halloween, and eventually heading into the lower 40s next week. Subnormal temperatures on the way next week, above normal temperatures now through Sunday. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.